Hello viewers and subscribers, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to do some peri peri seasoning, not peri peri seasoning, peri peri chicken. Yes, so this will be like a part 2 video series because I'm going to season the chicken in this video, and then the other video I will actually either put the chicken in an oven or put it on the grill outside. Not sure yet. Anyway, in this video I'm gonna season the chicken. So in here I have pieces of chicken. I have wings, thigh, leg, breasts, different section. So I already went ahead, trimmed the fats, and I leave the skin intact, and then I wash with vinegar and water. Pat dry, drain and then pat dry. So I also made some like small slits on the chicken leg so that the peri peri sauce can soak up. So I will season this overnight. Now I am just gonna use a few spices. The peri peri sauce already contains some amount of herbs, and I think paprika and the black pepper. I use paprika and black pepper as well. So I'm gonna add salt to the chicken. And body a complete seasoning. I am gonna also use seasoned salt. I love the seasoned salt. Chicken seasoning. And I am gonna use the all-purpose in adobo. This was given to me for me, I should use it and then give a review. And it's okay. So that is the amount of spices that I will use to season the chicken. Hope you can see what's going on. So I'm gonna gently just rub in all the spices into the chicken pieces. Now this is the peri peri sauce that I'm gonna basically pour all over the chicken. And if you want to know how to make this spicy delicious sauce, watch the previous video. I'm gonna incorporate it all over. So what I'm gonna do now is to cover this and let it sit in the fridge overnight. So yes, I'm gonna put this in the fridge and let it soak up all the flavors from the peri peri sauce plus the spices. Man, I'm telling you, it's gonna be turn up, or as we say in Jamaica, turn up. this is the remaining sauce that I separated from yesterday. So I'm gonna cook this. So in here I have just a small amount of water, and I'm gonna add the sauce to it. So I might add some ketchup to this. I'm gonna let it simmer, and then I taste for salt if it needs more salt or etc. But I need it to come to a boil first. The sauce that the chicken was marinating in, you need to discard this, right? Don't use this. Discard this.